Picture this. Everything you see, like the stars, the galaxies, even time itself, was once crushed into something so small it had no size at all. Then, in an instant, it began. The Big Bang. Not an explosion, but a rapid expansion of space itself. In the very first fractions of a second, the universe expanded at a mind-boggling rate, faster than the speed of light. This period is called cosmic inflation. The universe grew from smaller than an atom to larger than a galaxy, almost instantly. As it expanded, it cooled. The first basic building blocks of matter, quarks, electrons, and even appeared. These tiny particles combined to form protons and neutrons, and within minutes, the first simple atoms, hydrogen and helium. But for hundreds of thousands of years, the universe remained a dark, seething fog. Light that was trapped. Then, around 380,000 years later, the universe cooled enough for atoms to form fully. When that happened, light finally broke free. We can still see that ancient light today. It's called the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of creation itself. It's like a fingerprint of the newborn universe. A baby photo, frozen in time. Over billions of years, gravity pulled clouds of gas together. Stars ignited. Galaxies spun into shape. And planets formed around stars. Our own solar system? It was born about 4.5 billion years ago, from the ashes of ancient stars. And here we are, living beings made from stardust, trying to understand our origins. But the Big Bang raises even deeper questions. What caused it? Was there anything before it? Or did the universe truly create itself, along with time, space, and the laws of physics? Some theories suggest there could have been a previous universe. Others say our Big Bang might be just one of many, in a vast multiverse. The Big Bang wasn't just the beginning of our universe. It was the beginning of reality itself. And maybe, just maybe, it's only the beginning of a far greater story.